the PolycomVVX500. In this video, we will go over the device features and some commonly used functionality to get you up to speed with your new phone. When you first set up your phone, take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the hardware and button locations. On the left is your handset, and on the right is your display screen and keypad. Next to the keypad, you will see some additional buttons for quick access to different features of the device, such as menu, headset, speakerphone, and mute buttons. At the bottom of the device is a physical volume control. Using this button while the device is idle will adjust the ring volume. Using the button while on a call will adjust the volume for the medium you are using, via handset, headset, or speakerphone. The display screen is your primary source of information, and the enabled touchscreen allows you to control many features on the device. When the display is idle, you will see the time and date, your line key and soft key options, as well as feature notifications like voicemail or do not disturb. The buttons in the middle of your screen are your line keys. These keys can be configured to add additional lines to use with your main extension, assign busy lamp field or remote line keys for other extensions, and even allow you to assign login and logout buttons for hunt groups. The buttons at the bottom of your screen are your soft keys. These buttons will change depending on the current activity of the phone. When idle, you have direct access to call forwarding or do not disturb. To dial an outbound call, enter a phone number from the dial pad, then pick up the handset, press the headset button, or press the speakerphone button to start your call on your preferred medium. Call information, such as the dialed number and call duration, will be visible on the screen, and you will have access to additional soft key options while on the active call. You can start a separate call by placing the current caller on hold. Dial the number for your second call and press the send button. To answer an incoming call, simply pick up the handset, press the headset button, or press the speakerphone button to start your call on your preferred medium. Call information, such as the caller ID and call duration, will be visible on the screen, as well as additional soft key options for your active call. To answer a call waiting, press the blinking line on the screen, and then press the answer soft key. This will automatically place the first caller on hold and answer the new call. You can return to the first caller by tapping the original line and then pressing the resume button. While on a call, you can place the caller on hold by pressing the hold soft key. The call will immediately be placed on hold, showing the word hold on the display screen, as well as the caller ID, phone number, and hold duration. To pick the call back up, press the resume soft key on the screen. A warm or attended transfer allows you to consult with the party to which you are sending the call to before completing the transfer. On the bottom of the screen, press the transfer soft key. This will place the caller on hold. Dial the number or extension you wish to transfer to and wait for the party to answer the call. After your deliberations, you can complete the transfer by pressing the transfer key again or simply hanging up your phone, and the call will be immediately connected to the second party. A blind transfer allows you to immediately transfer a call to another number or extension. Tap the transfer soft key, then tap the blind button on the top right. Enter the number or extension to transfer to, and press the send button. The call will immediately start ringing to the second party. Conference calls allow you to merge two active calls together with your line, granting a three-party call. While on a call, press the conference soft key. The initial party is placed on hold, and a new line is picked up for you to place another call. Dial the new number or extension and wait for the new party to answer. Finally, press the conference button again to merge the two calls. You can use the additional soft key options to manage the conference call. Press the hold soft key to put the conference call on hold. Press the split soft key to split the callers from the conference and place both callers on separate holds. Press the park soft key to park the conference on a virtual extension to answer on a different device. Press the call flip soft key to send the call back to your extension and move the conference to another device assigned to you. You can end the conference call by pressing the End Call soft key. If a caller needs to hold for a user that is not currently at their desk or is near a different device, you can easily park the call to allow them to pick it up from any device on the account. Press the More soft key to access the second page of the soft key options. Press the soft key labeled Park. The call will immediately be placed on hold on a parked extension number, and your device is sent an SMS text message to advise you of the parked extension. Press the Instant Message soft key to read the message. Now, any user can simply dial the extension number to immediately pick the call up on their device. If you need to move a call to a different device, you can use the call flip feature to send the call back to your extension. Press the More soft key to access the second page of the soft key options. Then press the Call Flip soft key. The call will be placed on hold and is transferred back to your extension, allowing you to answer it on a different device assigned to your user account. The call history allows you to navigate your phone's call log. You can use the buttons on the top right to sort by time or name, sort by the type of call, like missed, received, and placed, or delete calls from your history. You can redial any number from the list by simply tapping the number you wish to call. You can also add a history call as a contact. Press the info icon to the right of the line. Then press the Save button. Enter a name and any other contact details you like, then press the Save soft key. To access the directory, press the menu button to the right of the screen, then tap the Directories button from the menu. You can select any entry you have stored, and tap the number in the middle to dial out to the contact, or you can edit or delete the contact. You can also tap the plus button and add additional contacts directly to the list. To turn on Do Not Disturb and send callers directly to voicemail, press the D and D soft key on the idle display screen. The Do Not Disturb icon will appear on the top of the screen. Press the button again to turn off Do Not Disturb. You can set call forwarding from your device at any time. Press the menu button to the right of the screen, then tap the Forward menu key. If you have a remote line key enabled for another extension, you will have two individual forward settings for both lines. Select the line you wish to edit. You have three forwarding options. Always Forward will immediately forward all calls received to this extension to the number you entered. No Answer Forward will forward any calls you miss while idle or on a call to the number you entered after your specified ring time. By default, your unanswered calls are forwarded to your voicemail. Busy Forward will forward any calls that you reject to the number you entered. By default, rejected calls to your extension automatically forward the caller to your voicemail. When a caller leaves a voicemail, a notification on your mail icon appears to indicate the number of new messages. This note will stay visible until you listen to the new voicemail message. To check your voicemail, tap the voicemail button, then tap the message center. If you have a remote line key enabled for another extension, you will have separate mail centers for each line. Select the line you wish to view. Here you will see the amount of urgent, new, and old voicemail messages in your box. Press the Connect button to immediately dial to your voicemail. Enter your PIN to access your voicemail box, where you can listen to your voicemail messages or edit your outgoing greetings from the automated voice menu.